So you just leaving the party, let everybody else party. Oh! I swear he just released a bad the Quintessence film. Now he released Live Fast, Die Slow, and Go. Both of them. I mean, it's 3 minutes and 53 seconds of video. So it's Taeyang. Y'all already know I'm gonna react to it. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. Guys, go check out my Tamagotchi video on Dre Day. I made Taeyang and G.Dragon there. It's been a fun time. I'm uploading a new one. What is happening? Did he fall from the sky like an angel onto a car? And he's shirtless, of course. Of course. Ooh. Different perspective. Like, different from the music video itself. He was at the sun? Is that why he burnt up? Call me Big Bang. Ooh. Yeah, he dripped out for real though. Oh. Nah, 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 nah. Play the game. Oh, we part. What are we doing? Why does it remind me of the Bang Bang Bang? After the Bang 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 music video, Taeyang just stayed behind, stripped the pink hair, and partied. Bah, bah, bah.
1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, what you waiting for?
Live fast, die slow.
Okay, let's go.
I want it, want it all. This is the type of song that you need to like sing. It's such a karaoke song, I think. Let's go. I want it all. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, we just partying out on a highway? A closed highway? Oh, what happened? Damn, everybody bumping into him, stripping his clothes off. Oh, he tried. That was me. I was, you know, like the last attempt to take off his like shirt. Get it off. Damn, what happened? So you just leaving the party, let everybody else party. Oh! God damn, what the fuck? I felt like I got hit. Nah, we can't just brush past that. He was just serving. Look at his walk. He's serving. Bah! That's crazy. What a transition to GOAT. Okay, GOAT. He out in the ocean?
No more lights, golden diamonds. No more sun, only rain. Raise your glass for me tonight.
Those iconic earrings too. I like how this builds. Cry. Ooh. This is a very good song, by the way. I like GOAT a lot. Ooh. Who's doing the lighting? The lighting. Whoever's doing lighting is killing it. In a way, he just goes in a deeper tone too, right here. Boom. Time. Ooh, okay. Staring me down. I don't know what to do. Is that it? Bro, why does it feel like little teasers, but we already, it's not really giving a teaser, but it is a teaser at the same damn time. You know what I'm talking about? Y'all, put the comments down below. Taeyang, Live Fast, Die Slow. I did not expect that. Car hit, then goes to GOAT while he's in the ocean, which was a beautiful scene, by the way. I mean, like, it's just, I like the lighting in here. And I like the progression of this song a lot, too. Like, right here, too. Cry. Heaven, it's 'cause we set it on fire. 세상 끝에도 어둠 속에도 별은 지지 않아. 우리만의 red carpet with the greatest. I just realized he got hit by the car, went into the ocean, but his face is dry. That man, because I was looking at it like, dang, his hair really out, like sticking out like that. Time. Hey, yo, don't be staring at me like that. Okay, thank you. Fire. And then he sticks his head in the ocean. Wow. Oh, the water. I don't know. I think that was a fake. It was supposed to be believed that it's the ocean or somewhere or the sea. But was it the actual sea or was that man-made? Hey, it might be real. It might be real. You out here in the sea? Time. Damn. Okay, stare down. All right, y'all. Put the comments down below what you guys think of Taeyang's Live Fast, Die Slow, and GOAT. The Quintessence film. Again, been loving the album. I still haven't got the physical album. I need to go get that. Yeah, again, been playing Tamagotchi on my new channel, or my gaming channel, Dre Day. You guys should check it out. I played on Twitch as well, which you guys should follow if you have the time to catch me on stream on Twitch at Dre Gaming. Going there later today around like 4 p.m. ish. But again, Taeyang doing his thing. My Ultimate Bias doing his thing. Love to see it. You love to see it. All right, y'all. Put a comments down below again. What you guys think? Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. It's your boy Dre. Keep on dreaming, dreaming, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work to it. It might just come true. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Dre Gaming. I'm there every day.